Good day, I am Jusmina Arboda and I'm here to discuss about the President of the Philippines from Raymond Magsaysay up to Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. So the first president is President Raymond Magsaysay, 1953 to 1957. Raymond Magsaysay was born on August 31, 1907 in Iba, Zambales. He was called the man of masses because he cared deeply for ordinary people. He made the government honest and closer to the people, brought peace to the countryside, and helped farmers through land reform and programs. The second president is President Carlos P. Garcia, from 1957 to 1961. Carlos P. Garcia was born on November 4, 1896, in Talibon, Bohol. He promoted the Filipino First policy, which encouraged Filipinos to support local businesses. He also promoted nationalism, cultural awareness, and economic independence. The third president is President Diosdado Macapagal from 1961 to 1965. Diosdado Macapagal was born on September 28, 1910 in Lubao, Pampanga, known as the poor boy from Lubao. He worked hard to rise from puberty. He changed Independence Day from July 4 to July 12 and passed the land reform law to help poor farmers own land. So the fourth president is President Ferdinand E. Marcos, from 1965 to 1986. Ferdinand Marcos was born on September 11, 1917 in Sarat, Ilocos Norte. He served from 20 years, the longest in our history. He built many roads, bridges, and hospital, and launches masaganang 99 to boost rice production. However, his rule became controversial because of martial law. Fifth president is President Corazon C. Aquino, from 1986 to 1992. Corazon Aquino was born on January 25, 1933, in Tarlac. She was the first female president of the Philippines. She restored democracy after the People Power Revolution and created the 1987 Constitution that protects our rights and freedom. So the sixth president is President Fidel V. Ramos, from 1992 to 1998. Fidel Ramos was born on March 18, 1928, in Lingayen, Pangasinan. He promoted peace, unity, and economic process. He signed peace agreement with rival groups and encouraged investors to strengthen the economy. Seventh president is President Joseph Irap Estrada, 1998 to 2001. Joseph Estrada was born on April 19, 1937 in Tondo, Manila. He was a popular movie actor known for his slogan, Irap para sa mahirap. He focused on helping the poor through housing and livelihood program, but his presidency ended early due to impeachment. Eighth president is Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, from 2001 to 2010. Gloria Arroyo was born on April 5, 1947, in San Juan, Manila. She focused on strengthening the economy and improving structure. She also promoted education, technology, and poverty reduction programs. The ninth president, the President Benigno Noynoy Aquino III, from 2010 to 2016. Benigno Aquino III was born on February 8, 1960 in Manila. He was the son of Ninoy and Kuroy Aquino. He led the Daang Matuwid campaign, fought corruption, improved the economy, and started the K-12 education program. The 10th president is President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, from 2016 to 2022. Rodrigo Duterte was born on March 28, 1945, in Maasin, Southern Leyte. He was known for his strong and strict leadership. He built many roads and bridges through Build program, and gave the free college tuition in state universities. The 11th president is President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., from 2022 to present right now. Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. was born on September 13, 1957, in Manila. He was the son of former President Ferdinand Marcos. He focuses on agriculture, digital transformation, and job creation. He also promotes the Bagong Pilipinas movement of unity and progress.